if you are rated 800, there's one mistake I almost see in every game. And the problem is it doesn't look like a mistake. So let's have a look at this position right here. And it's white's turn, and white played bishop e3. Black took on e3, white took on e6. Black took on e6, and white took on e3. And this is where the mistake happened. And I want you to pause the video right here and think for black if you can find a better move than queen takes e6. Okay, I hope you paused the video, and let's have a look at the position. Well, e6 is attacked and e3 is attacked. So let's see what we can do with the bishop here on e3. Maybe we can attack another piece. And when we look at it and we see, okay, well, there's a knight on c3 that is hanging. So what happens if black plays bishop d4, which is actually the best move here for black? And there are two main options here for white. The first one would be to eliminate the attacker with knight takes d4, but this doesn't work because black can take back with the knight on d4, attacks the queen one more time, or attacks the queen, and yeah, the bishop on e6 is still hanging. So white saves the queen, and after that black can take on e6. And if we count the pieces now, black has two minor pieces and white has one minor piece, and well, all the other pieces weren't affected. That means black just won a minor piece, so black has the advantage, and this doesn't work for white. So let's go back, and there's another move here that is knight d5. But here black can just play queen takes e6. White takes on c7, which looks kind of dangerous, but everything works out. We just calmly move the queen to e7. The knight takes on e8. Now the rook takes on e8. And if we look at the material, black has two minor pieces against rook and the pawn, and this is most of the time this is better for black. I mean, better for the party that has the two minor pieces. Here in this case it is black, and this position here is no exception. So this here is better for black, and yeah, this is a mistake I see very often, that people just automatically capture pieces back instead of looking for other options. And if you want, I can help you with that. I got a link in the description. Yeah, if you found that video helpful, give it a like, and I see you in the next one.